Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. From the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, tap on the settings from the option list. Choose chat settings under the settings section. Then you will see options like message text size, change chat background, color theme, etc. Now to activate dark mode on Telegram, click on the switch to night mode. And you will successfully activate dark mode on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn on dark mode on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.